How to go ahead and be expert in Kaggle AI. So if you would like to be professional in artificial intelligence programming, creating model using machine learning, deep learning, and all other techniques and models, follow this video. And before we go, please subscribe to the channel to reach every new and important and helpful videos we upload. And by your subscription, we can reach YouTube and Google search engines, and we need to get about 10,000 subscribers. So help us, please, and like the video if you like it, and share it with others for helping others. Let's go now. I open the Kaggle platform. This is the Kaggle platform, and you have to join every suitable contest. They are sending you contests by email, so you can follow this contest and start every contest is sent to you. So first of all, there is steps you have to follow for joining the contest. The first thing is you have to understand the problem very well and read the description of the problem or the contest very well, and then start by writing your ideas in steps. Like here we are about creating a model for Monte Carlo search algorithms for board games like chess games and tawla domina games. It's a single games or team games. So you have to start with your ideas about solving how to solve it. So in this contest I started by creating a flow chart for and the steps on the flow chart. You can use it also, and then you will fill every step. So and the first is this is description and flow chart. The start being the process by importing libraries and functions, then loading the dataset files, then define problem scope, understand the competition's goal, predict performance difference between MCT's variance based on game features, the gather data, gathering data, and so on until you process the data or data processing, clean data sets, normalize standardized data, features selection, analyze features, select features, and split data into training and set and testing set, modeling development, choose a model, train model, model evaluation, predict performance, calculate RMSI, SE, and optimize model. The last thing, optimize model. So every step from the 10 or 9 or 11 steps in the flowchart, we will create the code suitable for it. So here we are in importing libraries. So I will import all the libraries which I will use in this program, like these libraries. In every step in the program, you can modify libraries or increase some libraries. So all libraries will be set and organized in this section, which import libraries and functions. Then we go to the next step, which is load data as CSV file or Excel file. So here we have the files. We can get the files from here, and the left side you can find this here. these files, and you can get links, and you will arrange the links and use the pandas bd as panda, and the read underscore csv for reading the file, and store it in some variable. So this is a file concepts. I called it a concept variable, and this test variable will include or store the test dataset, and train will store the train dataset, and so on. So after loading the files, we go to another step. So here we have to operate each section. Then we describe all the variables by the head of 5 or 3 rows, 5 or 4, 5 rows, and so on, and put suitable title for this presentation or showing this data. And then you can shape help you to know how many rows and columns in this file, and so on. This is train, and this is the shape of the train. So I have here in this file about 233,000 of rows and more, and about 814 columns. These columns, all these 800 columns, I know every column name using this train.columns.to list, and then print columns names. So this very helpful code because it helped me to get the features and target, and so on. Go down, then go down. Here we have for the train, here submit head, submit the file, and we complete until we finish all the codes day by day. You will not do all the things in just one day. You will continue train the model, and here we will train the model and prediction on the test. So here there's some problem, so I put all this section as a comment, and I will come back and fix all the problems in it and submit. Then we have predictions on the test set, and evaluate the model and visualize the predictions, and at last the thing submitting. Here's the submitting. We will use API code, and then we have to submit. Press here, but for submit you have to be offline, so turn internet offline. So it's online, but when submit, put it as offline, and don't forget to in the setting, put it as a public in the setting area. We have here setting, turn on internet and accelerator here, environment reference, but here I think you have a public here. When you share, can share it, and here you have to select public, not private when sharing it. So this private, set here public and save, and then it will be shown for other. And this very important to put in a public, so to get liked, and when you get 5 likes you will get a medal medal, bronze medal. So these medals will be helping you to be advanced. So if you see my profile here, I got just today, just in one day, 3 medals. So and I ranked and enhanced it from 20% up to 60%. So I jumped about 40% in just one day and get 3 medals. So, and the circle, as you see here, this is a circle of expert. And after expert, you can get a master degree or master value. How to get master value? As a contributor, run one notebook or script, one computation submission, make one comment, give one upvote. Just give. Expert. Competitions, 2 bronze medals in competitions, 3 bronze medals in datasets, 5 bronze medals in notebook, you will be expert, and 50 bronze medals in discussion. In master, 10 silver medals. So to get just one bronze medal, you need at least five votes. This means you need to five at least 5 votes in every notebook you upload. So, but silver models, to get silver, you need more votes. More votes. So medals, as you see here, bronze, top 40%. Bronze. Okay. Oh. Bronze, 5 votes. Silver, 20 votes. Gold, 50 votes. Okay. This is the data set. But for notebook, 5 votes, 20, 50, and so on. Discussion, 1 vote, bronze. 5 votes, silver. 10 votes, gold. These the discussion medals are to popular topics and comments posted across the site. So more votes, more medals, more bronze medals, more silver, and all people will follow you, and you will be famous, and you will be helping by others, and you will help others, and will consist very large good teams and win dollars, win thousands of dollars. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel to reach every important video upload, and don't forget to like the video and share the video with others to help us to reach 10,000 people as subscribers for programmers and stock market and maintaining and repairing devices. Thanks for watching the video.